everyone, welcome back. If your hair have been breaking, thinning, or just refuse to grow, then this simple herbal mix might be exactly what you need. No expensive products, no chemicals, just powerful natural ingredients that work with consistency. Today, I will show you how to make a hair grow mix that helps stimulate your scalp, reduce breakage, and give you a thicker, fuller hair over time. But listen carefully, this is not a one-day miracle. Consistency is the real secret.
If you love natural hair care and want to grow your hair the healthy way, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now.
Let's start with the ingredients, because each one plays an important role in your hair growth journey. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is known for stimulating blood circulation in the scalp. When your scalp has a good circulation, your hair follicle receive more nutrients and oxygen. This helps wake up weak or inactive roots.
Another benefit of rosemary is that it does not just help your hair grow, it also helps reduce hair shedding by strengthening the roots and improving scalp health.
Our second ingredient is hibiscus flower, also known as zobo leaf. Hibiscus is rich in vitamins and natural acid.
Zobo leaf also helps reduce breakage, thicken your hair strands, fight dandruff, and leave your hair soft and shiny.
And our last ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaf are powerful for scalp health. They help fight dandruff, reduce itching, improve circulation. A healthy scalp equals to a healthy hair growth. So when you combine these three powerful ingredients, you get a natural formula that supports both growth and strength. Quick question, what is your biggest hair problem right now? Is it breakage, slow growth, or dandruff? Tell me in the comments. And if you love natural remedies like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Now let's make the mixture step by step. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 3 tablespoons of hibiscus flower, also known as zobo, 3 to 5 bay leaf. Make sure your ingredients are clean. Pour 1 cup of hot water into the bowl. The water should be hot, not cold. This helps to release all the nutrients from the herbs. Cover the mixture and leave it to sit minimum of 8 hours, best than 24 hours. The longer it sits, the more powerful it becomes. This process is called infusion. It allows all the vitamins and nutrients to slowly enter the water. After your mixture have infused, you will notice a darker color. That is a sign that the nutrients are fully extracted. Now strain the mixture using a sieve or a clean cloth. Make sure no particles remain. What you have now is your herbal hair mix. If you have learned something new so far, drop a heart in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I have more powerful hair recipe coming for you. Pour your liquid into a clean spray bottle. Keep it in the fridge and use within 5 to 7 days. Because it's natural, it can spoil. Now this part is very important. Many people make the recipe but does not use it correctly. Spray directly onto your scalp. Massage gently for 2 to 5 minutes. This boosts blood flow and helps absorption. Lightly spray your hair strand. This helps reduce dryness and breakage. After spraying, seal in moisture using shea butter. You can leave it on your hair or wash it after 2 hours. Your choice.
With this mixture, you will start to notice change in your hair gradually, not overnight, but in a way that feels real and lasting. The first thing you may notice is that your scalp began to feel different. It feels more alive, more refreshing, and less dry. This is because the mixture is working gently on your scalp, improving circulation and helping your hair roots receive more nutrients. When your scalp is in a healthier condition, your hair naturally have a better environment to grow. As you continue using it, you will begin to notice less breakage. Your hair will not fall out as easily when you comb or touch it. This is because the mixture helps strengthen your strand from the roots down to the ends. Instead of your hair snappy or shedding too much, it starts to hold itself better. Another thing you will start to notice is how your hair feels more comfortable. If you used to struggle with itchy, you may begin to see a reduction in that. Your scalp feels calmer, cleaner, and more balanced. This is very important because a calm scalp supports healthy hair growth. And that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are serious about your hair growth journey, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Stay consistent and take care of your hair.